Hi, this is Dave from New Mac Equipment. Just a very short video on this Colchester electronic lathe that we've got for sale. Yeah, I'm just checking out to see if there's any wear on in the V's. So obviously these are your V's. That's what the saddle's sitting on, and it's obviously a rear slide where the saddle sits on as well. So what I'm doing is just put a dial indicator on, and I'm checking along this surface. Right, that surface is machined obviously parallel and done at the same time as the V's or the ways for the saddle, and the only thing that really runs up and down on that is the tailstock. So that will never ever get any wear in this section of the bed. So I've just set up the dial indicator, so I'll just show you that I can prove that it's actually in contact with the bed. So now if I run the saddle along, should see this area, by the way, is going to be 90% of the work's done there. So if there is any wear, it's going to be probably in 6 inches there. So obviously the saddle's going to be moving. So you can see that dial's not even moving. So close to the chart. Yeah, it's not moved at all. So the other thing I'd say is it's a gap bed machine, but that gap's never been out. I can actually feel it would be now, but if I run, yep, it's never ever been out. Okay, so yeah, that's perfect basically.